Hello, I'm called David Henderson-Stewart. I'm the managing director of the Raketa watch factory, and we are now in the center of Moscow in Raketa's creative studio, where we do all of the design, the creative work, the marketing and the storytelling. And today I'm holding in my hands one of our most amazing watches. It's a watch for Russian submariners. So Raketa, the factory, is located in Saint-Petersburg and next to the sea. So Raketa has always had a tradition of making watches for Soviet sailors and submariners. And we continue this tradition with this absolutely amazing watch. It's a 24-hour watch because submariners in the depths of the ocean need a 24-hour dial to distinguish day from night. The hands are inspired by the design of hands that you find on the control panels in Russian submarines. So it's a very peculiar design of hands. And there are a lot of design elements on this watch that relate to Russian submarines and Russian submariners. And this watch in particular is made from a piece of metal in titanium from a Russian submarine that is called the Kashalot. It's an amazing submarine. Actually, it looks exactly like this. This is the Kashalot. And this watch is made from a piece of metal of titanium from this submarine. Which makes this watch really, really special because when you wear it on your wrist, you really have the impression of being a submarine, of having a little piece of the history of Russian submariners on your wrist. With this incredibly nice decoration of the movement at the back, this turquoise color on the rotor. And you have 4 different colors that distinguish the different shifts. Because, submariners live according to, their work on the submarine is organized according to very specific shifts. So you have different colors that indicate the different shifts. This particular watch is sold together with a certificate that certifies the origin of the piece of metal, and together with this submarine, which comes in a very nice metal case. So it's a very nice collector's box. Inside the watch, there is the Raketa mechanical movement, which is completely made in Russia in our factory. You can see it through the glass. It's a very robust, quite a thick movement, which doesn't look like any Swiss movement, and it has this Russian decoration, and it's completely Russian manufactured. So it's very, very, very unique. Thank you very much for your interest in Raketa watches. These watches are very unique. We're very proud of making them in-house, in our old school factory in St. Petersburg. And I hope that each of you will have the chance one day to hold us in your hand and maybe to wear it on your wrist.